Hello there. Thank you for taking a moment to see what awaits you at a Morgan Auto Group family dealership. With every service at every Morgan Auto Group location, we will provide a personal professional video on the inspection that was performed on your vehicle. Today, one of our factory-trained and certified technicians will perform this video multi-point inspection to show you how the process works. We do this so you see the actual vehicle condition and any deficiencies that may have been discovered during the inspection. This way, you're in the best position to make an educated decision regarding the care and safety of your vehicle. And to provide you with full transparency, you will also have a direct communication link to our teams, whether it be phone, email, or text. Whichever you prefer, we'll be there to help. You can even pay your bill via text or email in advance of your arrival to pick up your car. Or request pickup and deliver your vehicle if you need that service. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at a Morgan Auto Group family dealership soon. When you make it Morgan, we make it happen.